The one thing that always is fascinating is when you come to a country that you have just read about and seen a couple of documentaries on and actually experiencing certain things, and especially like cultures and things, and seeing that folk band on top of this big mountain with the big Jesus Christ statue above them and several other statues all situated on this mountain peak and singing. It was so hard to describe the music that they were singing. It was kind of like a techno folk, if you can describe that, but yeah, it was just bizarre, in all honesty. Like, I never ever thought I'd wake up that morning and witness that. Surreal moment. I didn't really know if it was real or not. It was just bizarre.